I've seen all these educated people online doing all these wonderful, beautiful ideas for how to start a business and how to run a business and everything. And then you get me, the housewife. I also have a business, but my business is an easy business. It brings me the money that I need monthly. I don't have to go out to look for a job, and I can just stay at home and still be a mother and be a good wife, you know. So, why don't you go and look in my link? And then you decide for yourself if this is what you would like to do so that you can stay at home. And if you can't find a work, this is so easy. You can just do this from your home, and from your phone, and you can have a real income, something that can support the whole family.